Good morning, DXN. Welcome to DXN, the world's largest Ganoderma producer. Started its journey in Jitra, a small town in Kedah, Malaysia in 1993.
Jalan Alor is a food paradise in Kuala Lumpur. The delicious food is available for 24 hours. However, more people like to eat during the night. And of course, because of eating too rich food at night, and this is the beginning of all kinds of health problems today. Ministries has spent a lot of money building hospitals after hospitals. They employ many doctors and nurses. Yet, patients are pouring in the hospitals. We don't have enough doctors, we don't have enough nurses. And we have to find a solution. So health education is very important. And gynotherapy is the solution today. I went to England in the year 1976, and of course I started with my state-registered nursing. And when I finished my state-registered nursing, I was specialized in cancer nursing, which is called oncology nursing. And with that oncology nursing, working in a hospital, that was my toughest time because I couldn't see how the patients suffer from cancer. They came in and out of the hospital, and after chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and later on he had relapse. When my father recovered from his stroke, and I was very attracted to what is Ganoderma. My sponsor, Mr. Cheng, came along and he showed me DXN, RG and GL. One day I went to DXN farm and I met Dr. Lim, and Dr. Lim explained to me how unique it is, DXN, RZ and GL, and how it's being cultured and how it's being extracted. And I find that this comparison, DXN Gado Dama is superior. When I understand what is Gado Dama, that makes me more excited in ganotherapy.
Ganotherapy means to me is she can save people's life.
我先生，他名字叫彼得劳，我是他太太。在2009年11月初，他得了胰脏腺癌。那时候医生说他只有3个月的寿命，差不多2年多还是3年了啊。到现在为止，他都是医生讲他的问题已经好了，健康了。
As we know, Gado Dama balance the pH, the acidic body environment.
Then one day I found my wife got breast cancer, so I don't know what to do.
Gado Dama, it works on cellular function.
Actually, the word given by standing me, I'm sitting right here, facing you, to talk about belief and hope.
I'm so proud of my wife because she helped, and especially the cancer patient.
He's a very good leader in ganotherapy because he helped a lot of people to get better.
She never neglects the needs of the patients. She gives her 300% to the patients.
Az emberi hozzáállás, amit a részéről megtapasztaltam, az még ma is elérzékenyít, hogyha ezekre a pillanatokra gondolok. Nem tudunk eléggé hálásak lenni neki.
Az a tudás, amit tőle kaptunk, az elmondhatatlan, és nem csak üzletileg, hanem emberileg is.
Mr. Kocho Laszlo is not only my business partner, he is a brother to me.
Fantasztikus, amikor ő jön, mert mindig olyan nagy szeretet árad belőle. Fontos az, hogy mit tud a ganodermáról, de van, amikor a szeretet az sokkal fontosabb.
A Jane-nek az igazi sikere az a személyiségéből fakad.
2008. decemberben összeismertettek Jane-nel. Második mondatnál már elő is húzott egy kézkrémet, és elkezdte az én kezemet kenegetni vele, és mondta, hogy ez mennyire jó. Én pedig egyáltalán nem csodálkoztam sem akkor, sem azóta, hogy ennyire sikeres a DXN üzletben.
Szavak nélkül is megértjük egymást.
Jane egy hihetetlenül kedves és segítőkész lélek, akit egyszerűen nem lehet nem szeretni.
Just like Mother Teresa, very nice person, very humble, and the best thing is that she's very, very helpful.
Empathy, her good heart. God has given her a lot of blessings.
Now finally, she is successful in Europe. If anybody wanted to follow after her, determination and strong determination is important.
DXN only gives us this freedom, health, wealth, and financial freedom. Not only that, we are able to enjoy our second honeymoon in Bulgaria. And this is the happiness we get in our marriage. Cheers for good health and happiness. Each time he plays about the DXN song, it touches my heart because the song expresses everything I want to tell the people. I can dream in my song, and I can love my husband in the song, and love my son in the song, and I can imagine all my people in Gynotherapy Network to see them at the top of DXN.
Make sure you find the time and spend some money for your health before it is too late. DXN products help your body to maintain optimal health. Give them a try, and you will feel the benefits of DXN products in a more natural way. Thank you for spending your time with us.